Your SIM card is evolving, Yar. Remember the days of poking your phone with a tiny pin just to swap that little plastic chip? Well, those days might be ending. Today, I'm diving into the eSIM revolution. Should you finally ditch your physical SIM? So, what's a SIM anyway? It's that tiny subscriber identity module which stores your network info. It's how your carrier knows, okay, this is you, let's give you service. Till now, you'd slide in a physical SIM. But now, there's eSIM. No card, no tray, no drama. Your carrier info goes straight into your device, digitally. Now, why should you care? With eSIM, switching plans or carriers. Instant. Traveling abroad? Just scan a code and boom, you're on a new network, no hunting for a local SIM. Plus, it's eco-friendly, no more plastic waste clogging up the planet. But hold on, not everything's perfect. Not all carriers support eSIM yet. Your old phone? Might not work. And honestly, moving your eSIM to a new device? Still a little tricky sometimes. If you've got an iPhone XS or newer, a recent Google Pixel, or a Samsung Galaxy S20 and up, you're set. Even some smartwatches and tablets are ready for eSIM action. How do you get started? Just contact your carrier, scan their QR code, download your profile, and you're done. No more fumbling with SIM pins. So, is the future eSIM? Honestly, it's looking that way. What about you? Are you ready to make the switch, or are you still loyal to your trusty physical SIM? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech talk. Let's see how eSIM actually changes things in real life, okay? Imagine this. You've just landed in Dubai for a vacation. Earlier, you'd be running around the airport hunting for a kiosk to buy a local SIM. Now, just relax. Open your phone, scan a QR code, and your eSIM is active with a local data plan. No stress, no language barriers, and no tiny plastic to lose. Or suppose you're a dual SIM user, one number for work, one for home. With eSIM, you can juggle both numbers easily. No need to carry two phones or keep swapping SIM cards. Super convenient, nah? Even for those who love to try out new mobile plans for the best offers. eSIM means you can switch carriers in minutes, without ever stepping into a store. And for all the parents out there, setting up a smartwatch for your kid? eSIM makes it super simple, with no risk of them losing a physical SIM card. So, whether you're a traveler, a multitasker, or just someone who hates waiting in queues, eSIM is making mobile connectivity smoother than ever. Still remember, check with your carrier and device before making the jump. The tech is cool, but a little homework goes a long way. Which scenario fits you best? Drop your story below.